7:59 a.m.
Alright, I'm out here a little late, but it don't matter. It's beautiful. Hopefully these conditions last a little bit, for a little bit today. But here we go, casting off. The water's pretty clear. The visibility is great. Hopefully I can do some sight fishing. Then we'll go fish around that cove over there real quick. Fish all around me. You see that bass? He's like a 12-inch bass, but there's some monsters over here. They're curious about me. Look at this. Look at that guy. He's looking right at me. Look at the two over there. Can you see those two over there? Those are like 4-pound bass. Holy moly. Look at that one down there. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's like a 2-pounder. Look at this one's coming up to me. That right there is like a 4-pound. She's a female. She's looking right at me.
8 hours later.
Well, goes to show. I came out here all confident with electronics, and I still haven't put a bass on here. I hooked up twice. I see the fish. I just, you see them in the video. I showed you the big old fish they're all along this bank here, holding up on big old boulders or just swimming around back and forth. I've thrown chatterbait. I've thrown weightless creature bait. I've thrown everything except for a drop shot. I don't fish drop shots too often. I got the stuff to do that. But there's a lot of structure or a lot of branches and stuff like that in this area here, so I don't want to lose another drop shot. So right now I'm fishing this creature bait Texas rig. I had one bite and nothing else so far. The other bite came on a little twister tail. Not this one. Let's show you the color. This one right here. It came on this little twister tail, but I think it was maybe a small bass or a crappie, and it just pulled the twister tail off of the hook, and I wasn't able to get it. So I'm hoping I don't get skunked, at least get one fish. So I'm gonna keep on trying.